lesson today is going to focus on the place value of numbers and the different forms that we can write our numbers in. In third grade, you are responsible for knowing the ones place through the thousands place. We use lowercase letters to represent each of these in the place value chart. We begin with the ones all the way to the right, followed by the tens to the left, the hundreds to the left, a comma, and then the thousands place. There are 4 number forms that you will have to know this year. The first is standard form. Standard form is simply the digits that we use to make a number. The second form is known as word form or written form. In this form, we use the letters to spell out the words. For example, 265. The third number form is known as expanded form. In expanded form, the number is broken down by its place values. For example, 200 plus 60 plus 5. The last number form is known as model form. Model form is a drawn illustration used to represent the different place values. When we look at model form, these are the symbols that we will use this year. Notice, for the ones, we use a small filled-in dot. This tens is represented by a stick. The hundreds place is represented by a square. The thousands place is represented by a square with a smaller square on the inside. Now, let's try these. Number 1, write 4,195 in model form. Remember, model form uses the drawn illustrations. Number 2, write 684 in written form. Remember, written or word form is used by spelling out the words. Number 3, write square, 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 stick, 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 dot, dot in standard form. Remember, standard form uses the digits only. At this time, you can press pause. You can go back in the video and pause any section that you need, or rewatch the video for help. When you're ready to move on, press the play to check your answers. Let's see how you did. The first question said to write 4,195 in model form. To represent the number 4,000, we use 4 squares with smaller squares on the inside filled in. To represent 100, we draw 1 square. To represent 90 or 9 tens, we draw 9 sticks. To represent 5 ones, we draw 5 dots. The second question was to write 684 in written or word form. You would spell out 684. Although I would like for you to spell these numbers correctly, it's okay if you struggle. Always do your personal best. Number 3, write square, 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 stick, 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 dot, dot in standard form. When you put the model form together, you should have gotten the number 392 or 392. How did you do?